Small Engine Repair Course. Stratford Career Institute offers an excellent small engine repair course. The course outlines the tools, systems, and parts used in small engine repair. With this course, you can set yourself up for a career, or you can simply enjoy your hobby even more. So what will you learn with Stratford Small Engine Repair Course? Among many other things, you'll learn lots of valuable information, like tools and safety, career opportunities in the field, typical small engine maintenance and repair tasks, fundamentals of electricity, magnetism, and electronics, engine components, troubleshooting, engine disassembly and inspection, and so much more. And an education isn't the only thing you'll get. Upon graduation, you will receive the following tools and equipment at no additional cost: crankcase vacuum tester, compression tester, spark tester, multimeter, small engine charging system tester. These tools will help you start on your journey. Head over to Stratford Career Institute's website today to learn more about this course and many others.